My name is Jim, and I'm a participant in the Morningstar Investor Training program. I've completed Phase 1 and I'm currently in Phase 2, and want to just share a few thoughts about this program. I was a bit skeptical of the price and the program, but looking back in hindsight, I've been extremely pleased. I brought into it a fairly good understanding of the business fundamentals, understanding cash flows, ratios, the business side of it, but I was completely lacking confidence in securities, pricing, timing of the market, entry and exit points, and the program has really enabled me to round out that portion of my investing knowledge. Now, the material was very helpful. It taught a lot about the basics of investing, goals, different methods of investing, how to utilize some of the Morningstar tools, fair value, star ratings, economic moats, grades for profitability, stewardship, uncertainty. So it gives you some tools with which to look at company beyond just numbers. We did look at the numbers and digging into a company, looking at the financials, looking at the quarterly reports, the annual reports, looking beyond the numbers and looking at board governance and independence. We also covered options and investing strategy of the greats, Benjamin Graham, Warren Buffett, Philip Fisher, Peter Lynch. But the program didn't try and fit me into one of these specific boxes. It allowed me to come up with a personalized, custom investing plan for me, to meet my needs. And the coaching element was something that I was I was really pleasantly surprised at how much value it brought to the program. I was skeptical, but meeting each week, in my case, I got the chance to work with Scott Clark, and it was a tremendous experience. Having that element of accountability, requiring to do the work each week, to go over, but to have somebody to ask questions to things that weren't covered in the material, or questions that are a little bit on the periphery. He was able to give me some additional resources. My long-term investing is primarily value investing, but there's some opportunities in trend or swing trading that Scott was able to give me some suggestions. We talked about candlestick patterns, and we talked about momentum indicators and things that are tremendous asset. Even in value investing, buying securities at the right time adds tremendously to the value. So it's not just for trend trading. It allows me to maximize the value of purchases. But determining those entry and exit points have been tremendously valuable for me. It's not just a good business. I can see that. But at what point is it a good buy? That has been a tremendous asset. Like I said, the coaching was surprisingly helpful. At the same time, it wasn't a Morningstar propaganda program. As a customer, that is tremendously valuable. It's not just them selling product. It's them helping me to develop a customized personal investing plan, which, as a customer, gives tremendous value. I have been impressed, I've been satisfied, and I'm excited about continuing to implement the investing plan that I have. I'm looking forward to it. I'm excited about it. I'm continuing to learn. I believe that life should be a lifelong learning opportunity, and this is just another element for me that I think is just will add more. It's created not just answers, but it's given me better questions to ask about my investing. And some of that now I have some better resources to go out and find those answers. So to you, I wish happy investing.